The Vivo X Fold 6 has been with us for a while, and after using it, one thing is obvious. Vivo has seriously upgraded the foldable experience this year, but that's not even the best part. Hi everyone, welcome back. Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from Techie Street. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content. Let's check out what makes the Vivo X Fold 6 so impressive. First up is the upgraded Atomic Workbench. It takes full advantage of the foldable display. Imagine comparing prices while shopping without constantly switching apps. Just swipe up with 3 fingers or slightly fold the phone to instantly open more apps. In parallel mode, you can run up to 4 apps at once. Resize every window however you like, and the others adjust automatically. Comparing prices, reading buying guides, and checking information all happen on one screen, making multitasking incredibly smooth. Need to focus? Just switch to focus mode. It expands your active app while keeping the others ready in the background. It almost feels like using a display bigger than the phone itself. Still need more? Serial mode lets you switch quickly between up to 5 apps. You stay inside one app while jumping between the others effortlessly, making heavy multitasking feel easy. Whether you choose parallel or serial mode, Atomic Workbench keeps everything organized. Windows never get in each other's way, giving you a clean and comfortable multitasking experience. Even better, if you use the same setup every day, you can save the entire window layout to your home screen and launch everything with a single tap. Another exciting feature is the new AI Document Manager, making its industry debut. It offers a desktop-style interface with a clean sidebar, making file management much easier. Using powerful on-device AI, the Vivo X Fold 6 automatically recognizes confusing downloaded files and suggests proper names. One tap is all it takes to rename them. There's also Special Space, where Xiaomi Cloud Agent intelligently sorts and organizes your documents automatically. It's one of those features you start using every day without even thinking about it. And there's more. The Xiaomi Cloud PC version is rolling out through an OTA update, bringing many of these smart productivity features to computers as well. That's a big step toward a seamless cross-device experience. The Vivo X Fold 6 also takes ecosystem features to the next level. It doesn't just sync iPhone notifications anymore. You can now view your iPhone photos directly inside the Photos app. If you use both devices, this makes the experience feel surprisingly seamless. Now, let's talk cameras. The phone keeps the ZEISS T-Star triple camera setup, and the results speak for themselves. But the real upgrade is the telephoto camera. For the first time on a foldable, it supports the same G2 Telephoto Enhancer Lens as the Ultra model. Just attach the dedicated case, and your phone instantly feels like a compact telephoto camera. The foldable design also makes waist-level street photography and low-angle shots much more stable. It almost feels like shooting with a compact, mirrorless camera. Plus, Vivo has brought the blueprint color profile from the Ultra, giving you quick and easy color tuning for the perfect look. Performance is just as impressive. The Dimensity 9500 Super Edition handles everything with ease. Whether you're running 4 apps together or switching between 5 in serial mode, the experience stays smooth and responsive. Battery life is another huge surprise. The massive 7,000 mAh battery handled an hour of heavy multitasking, including WPS, video meetings, data monitoring, and 4-way split screen, while using only about 10% battery. It also supports global direct power supply, helping reduce battery wear during long sessions. Design-wise, our salt paste color looks clean and premium. The cool-toned glass back creates a shimmering effect in the light, feels smooth, resists fingerprints, and gives the phone a truly flagship finish. Overall, the Vimo X Fold 6 combines premium hardware with smarter software. The improved Atomic Workbench makes multitasking even better, while its AI features focus on practical tools you'll actually use every day. The base model starts at 7,999 yuan in China, which is around 889 pounds in the UK and about $1,177 in the USA. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this review, hit the like button. Subscribe for more smartphone reviews, unboxings, and the latest tech updates. And I'll see you in the next one.